Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna unbox the D Link Wi-Fi router. I just ordered through the Flipkart website, and this is the product. Let's unbox it. This is the package. And this is the details of the package. The packaging was pretty very good. This is the router I just ordered through the Flipkart website. D Link wireless N300 router, and you can see the specifications. It has got 3 years warranty from D Link website and 5 dBi long range. The model one is DIR 615, and this is how it looks back. There's some basic information of the product. I got this router for 999. These are how we need to connect, some basic information. So let's open it. Some information of the D Link. This is the guide for the router, how to install and how to use Wi-Fi router, some basic stuff. And this is the warranty card. D Link is providing 3 years warranty, and this is the warranty information stuff. And now let's go for to the this is the D Link Wi-Fi router. It has 2 antennas. It is an N300. The speed of the router is 300 Mbps. And this is how it looks back. And these are the connections. And here it is, the adapter, power adapter, and one external cable. That's it, nothing more.